Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to speed up a slow iCloud sync problem. There are a couple of steps that you can follow to fix that issue. You have to make sure that both of the iOS devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi router. When your both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi, then your iCloud speed will be much faster than regular speed, because iOS has a feature that can help you to transfer files without using the internet with the help of your Wi-Fi routers. So your files will be sent locally without the need of iCloud. The second step is you can also try to clean your iCloud storage. If you have maxed out your iCloud storage, then you can go to your iCloud storage section on your settings and you can clear out or you can wipe the unnecessary files and make some space on your iCloud. This can help you in fast transfers. If this solution also doesn't work, then you have to make sure that your Mac OS has been updated to the latest version. Or if you're using Windows, then you have to make sure that you have latest Windows updates installed on your PC or your laptop. You can also check online if the iCloud servers are working fine or not. If you see some red dots, it means that the problem is not from your side, it's from Apple servers. Or if your information isn't updating, for example, if you have modified a contact and that contact has not been updated on your other device, then you can also try force syncing between your iOS devices. Last but not least, if any option or the solution is not working for you, you can simply try turning off your device and turning it on back again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And that's how you can speed up a slow iCloud syncing problem. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.